Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be driving the Rustler. That sounds good. And I'm here spur gear anyways if I break this one, but so yeah, we are driving it in wet conditions. We did this with a Slash before, but now we're going to be doing it with this car. Might have some slow-mo clips of it hitting the speed bump, and yeah. This summer we do have a lot of content. I have a lot of content planned this summer, so I would subscribe. I know it's a while before it's summertime, but yeah, I'm excited. This right here will make it easier for me to. Oh great, some car so we got the car coming down to here. And yeah. There we go. Now, drive it. Hit that speed bump. Let's try to hit it. Going pretty quick. I feel like y'all aren't far back enough because y'all don't get to see the complete jump. So hold on. There we go. Man, it needs to be a little bit higher up. Oh, let's adjust this tripod. There we go. I got the tripod adjusted. You guys will be able to see me jumping. Wish I could come in all the way. Let's go really fast. Oh, it nose dives in there a little bit. Let me see if I can get my flashlight up. I'll help with the light. No, it really don't. It actually is currently raining. Not bad, but like it's mist. Whoa. Oh, I just drifted. I wish y'all could have saw that. Now, since this car is fixed. Ooh, it nosedived there a lot. It really did nosedive there. Let's try to go all the way down there. Then bring it back full speed, then let off throttle for it. That's how you do it. Oh! Did you guys see that? There were sparks. There were sparks. What the heck? Bro, there were sparks. No way. No way. There were sparks. I don't know what they came from. I think they came from one of the screws, but there were sparks. I hope that was on camera. That was crazy. I really hope that was on camera. It nosedived. But the fact that there were sparks, that's crazy. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, let off. That was good. There's a limit to how fast we can go, I guess. He still works good. And trust me, oh crap, there's a truck coming in hot. Get this out of the way. I'm gonna open it up and make sure everything's okay, because that was a lot of sparks. Okay. My T-key controller. Hope we didn't destroy anything. No, everything's still good. Pretty dry under here too. You see we have our center drive shaft installed right here. It's official TRAXXAS part. That was in a live stream. I forgot we did this in a live stream. I'll tell you all the upgrades. So it has the aluminum motor mount, aluminum center drive shaft, aluminum A-arms, and rear hub carriers are aluminum. The fronts aren't, because they don't have fronts. But and it has the aluminum bearing adapter. What else does this thing got? It's got the center drive shaft end piece. And I think that's it. No, it has a 50-tooth spur gear and I think it's a 20-tooth pinion. It's got quite a bit of modifications done to it. This is an XL5. I've never seen a car like that spark. I think it's just the A-arms. Man, there's always cars coming through here. Maybe we should go into new spots. It seems like there's always thousands of cars coming through here. every moment of the day, so that's okay. In fact, they just came and blasting the music. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna move down. Let's move our car, and we'll be back in a second. We're gonna get one slow motion of me jumping it, and then we'll be back. Alright, we're in a new spot because all those people are being annoying. So now we're just gonna drift the rustler around. Let's be good. Oh, I think I spun it out. Oh, battery. Dang it. Okay, that's battery. Replace, because I have a battery already in my pocket. Alrighty. Y'all see it good? See the flasher on. Alright. So let's go ahead and replace the battery with a new one that we have laying around. Well, not a new one, but like a fully charged one. I don't want to say new. This motor fan really helps. I really recommend it. Just search up TRAXXAS motor, like 540 or 550 can motor fan. You'll find it. There's plenty of options you can choose. This other one's at 5,000 milliamp hour. Go ahead and get this in. This in. Is ESC warm? Nope, ESC's not warm. Alright. So the reason why I like the Rustler, you gotta change the battery over the Slash. You gotta do all these clips and stuff. This is easy. Simple. That's what I love about this car. Hopefully we'll have the Haas back soon. I really hope we get that car back soon. If you don't want to see that series, it's up here. The series is up here, right there. That's the Haas series. We really didn't record much because it broke. And it wasn't even my fault, but see how it goes. Right. Let's go ahead and start drifting again. Oh yeah, that's about plenty powerful. I have the flashlight on just so you guys don't see it's raining. This thing is powerful. Spun out. Here, let's put the camera in the middle of the parking lot just because it'd be easier to do this and drift so y'all will see it better. Oh my gosh. I was trying not to kill the battery. That was a good one. Tires are so slick, like they're not even like there's any grip on them at all. It's about to be a car to move or drive, so let's go ahead and move. Go on the grass for a little bit. See y'all see the performance it has in the grass. Alright. My car out of the car's way. Oh, that thing's awesome. I'm getting it all in this wet grass, all for you guys. Hover's pretty good in this. Well, I mean, hovers. It glides pretty good for this. Oh, I was looking at my phone for a second. Thanks, train, being loud. Shoot. I forgot the brakes aren't as good as on this thing as my Slash in the Haas. Well, the Haas don't have really any brakes, but anyways, I forgot this is a brush motor, and brush motors don't like stop as well. I don't know what the issue is with that. Anyways, oh, now it's crooked. Alright, there we go. That's good enough. See if I can try to slide by. That was so close. This thing slides. It's like a really good drifter. I came inches away from hitting that. Every time I try to do it on camera, yeah, but then when it's not on camera at all. It's failing every time. Smell the motor on this thing. Oh, hit the camera a little bit that time. It's an odd smell. That's a very stinky smell too. It's just from the motor. These brushed motors. Yeah, everything's good under here. It's just that motor stinks so bad. That's the only thing I hate about brushed motors, is they have that smell. The brush is like getting warm or something. I don't know. It's not going as fast. That's an odd sound. Okay. That's a little concerning. Hold on. Not low voltage, is it? Maybe it is. I don't know. We were driving. No, it's not low voltage. Hold on, let's turn it off. Here, guys. I'll pause the video for a second. We'll be back once it's cooled off or something. I don't know. Alright, guys. So I think the issue is it got really warm. It's really warm right now, so I'm not sure what we should do. I don't know if I should just sit here for a few minutes or something, but we might have to go brushless. We might have to rob a system out of the Slash, or save up my money and buy a brushless system for this thing. I don't think we can push this brushed motor any further. It's gonna blow, like, or catch fire, or melt, or something, because it's getting pretty toasty, and that's a little concerning. And I don't want to ruin this car or have it possibly catch fire. I don't think it's gonna catch fire. It's just, I think the motor is getting so hot, it just can't. It can't give more power to it. So hold on. No, the ESC is not that warm, but it's the motor. Oh gosh, man, that thing's hot. You know what would help if we had the motor fan on? I just thought of that. I don't know why I turned it off. Because the fact that I have the motor fan on will actually really help this car. So we probably just need to leave the motor fan on so it doesn't get damaged or anything. So yeah, we'll be back when it cools off. Alrighty, I think it cooled down a little bit with the fan on, so let's see if it has enough power. Yeah, it has plenty of power now. Probably not gonna be doing no more drifting, because it seems like the drifting is what made it overheat. No, it still seems like it's hot. Let's give it another second. Dang. I guess, back in a second. Gosh. Screw it. Let's just drive it. Like I said, if this thing needs the motor replaced, I have another brush motor from my Slash. Because the Slash didn't always have a brushless system. When I bought it, it was just an XL5. Okay, I think it's fine. It's going really quick now. This thing's so cool. Oh, he just keeps running around and going back. Interesting. It's like he wants to talk to me, but he doesn't. This car is so fast. We were drifting. We don't want to drift. If this had a powerful enough servo, it probably wouldn't be half bad. The fact this doesn't have a 47.5 in it, it's pretty slow. So we will want to upgrade the servo eventually. Now we're not doing nothing extreme, but hopefully this weekend we can do some stuff like take it to the park. I plan on taking this car to the park this weekend unless something catastrophically happens. Which I doubt it would. Anything would. So let's go ahead and drive it. I wonder if that's the diff gears making that sound again. I think it's just a center drive shaft because it doesn't completely fit the stuff these things perfectly. It has a little bit of wiggle room. So let's check. That better not be my diff gears. Because my diff gears were making a strange sound. Oh well. The smell from the brush to gears, man, it stinks really bad. I think it's just a center drive shaft. If it does need silicone grease, I'll buy it. I'm trying to get a deal on these speakers I'm looking at right now. If they won't lower the price, I'm just probably going to end up saving for the brushless system for this car. Because I don't like this thing being brushed. Not you, but like... Okay. Comment, if I see one comment that says brushless, I might consider it. But I don't get any comments saying brushless. I might not do it. But if you want to see this thing brushless, comment down below or say something on my Instagram if you want to see this car brush. Brush. So comment that down below, and yeah, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.